Saturday. Happy Vlogtober day 19. It's high school football Saturday today, and I'm actually going to head over there now. I'm gonna actually watch the JV and the Vars, but this is what I'm wearing today. Red is the school colors. So today is Vlogtober day 19. Before I forget, I'm gonna start my 13 nights of Halloween advent calendar. We're gonna open her up. Again, this is from if you're on the island of Oahu. Her Instagram account is you made this for me. You made this for me. Yes, you can check her out on Instagram. But this is how it is again, and then we open the flap. So we have 13 compartments. 13 compartments we're gonna go through. I'm gonna look for day 1. Don't you like how cute this is? So we're gonna start day 1. Start here. Oh, I love it. It's like a candy cane game. So we're gonna go up here, day 1. Let's see what's for day 1. Oh, it's so cute. A mini sugar cookie. What is it? A mouse. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, it's very hot today. Let's open her up. Oh, she is so cute. She's a mouse, yeah. My son is waiting for me to open it, so I have to open it before I go so he can taste it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this smells delicious. Certain sugar cookies, you know, is really great, and I believe I ate this before, so that's why I wanted to buy her. But let's dig in and eat it. This is delicious. It doesn't taste, you know, sometimes you buy sugar cookies and it tastes like cardboard. This tastes delicious, and not too much sugar frosting on it, the hard frosting. Delicious. I might have to go back for her Christmas advent calendar. I'm gonna give this to Bear. Happy Aloha Sunday. Happy Vlogtober day 20. Happy Sunday. Starting this day late. It's already 5:15 in the afternoon, early evening, or late afternoon, whichever it is. But anyways, lazy day. Last night our high school lost in the homecoming football game. Wah wah wah, but it's okay. And this morning the football 49ers seemed like they were using the same playbook from our high school. Just joking. I'm gonna start off this vlog by opening my 13 nights of Halloween advent calendar. Let's open her up. Today is day 2. Her cookie's so delicious. So, oh, it is so cute. You can see what it is. It's a skeleton head. A cute skeleton head. Okay, wait. As soon as you open it, you can smell like the vanilla in the cookie. Okay. You can have that one. Okay, Clace, here. Okay, because for dinner today's I am making spaghetti. I have my hot water here boiling for my pasta. My hamburger or ground beef is defrosting, and we got some tomato basil garlic sauce from Target. And then I think I'm gonna be making garlic bread, but I'll think about it. I decided to make garlic bread using hamburger buns that I had in the freezer. So I'm just separating the top and the bottom, and then I have butter here because I'm lazy. I have this container to put it in, but I was lazy to like make more dishes. So I just this is the Kerrygold butter, and I put some onion powder and garlic powder, and I'm just mixing it and putting it, rubbing it all over this hamburger buns, and then we're gonna put it in the oven as broil. So it's gonna just broil the top and make it crispy and delicious. And that's our garlic bread, and this is how it looks when it's done broiling, which was literally like two minutes or so. My oven is probably not working on all the top part of the broiler. This part didn't catch. It's okay. But yeah, and this is my spaghetti. I normally wouldn't combine the noodles and the sauce together, but this time I did. So tonight I'm actually going to close out my vlog. This would probably be combined of Saturday night and Sunday night, which is tonight. Yeah, it has been that kind of weekend where I didn't really film as much. So yes, it's a combination of 2 days. Right now it's after 11. Carly and I is up. We're watching You've Got Mail. As you can see, my Halloween lights are not on. Boo-hoo me, but I did put my fall lights on there. I just finished washing up the dishes, so yes, one less thing for me to do tomorrow. Tomorrow I know I will need to take a drive. I'm gonna pick up my mom and my auntie from the airport tomorrow. So yeah, she's finally coming back. It's been almost 3 weeks. So I'm picking them up at the airport, and that's about it. Thank you for watching my vlogs, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Toodles.